Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix your printer issue and it's not working in your Windows 10 and 11. So how you can resolve that. The first step is that how you can resolve it. Restart your printer and computer and turn off your printer and PC. Just turn off and again on it. And the other few seconds, then power them on. So you have to on your laptop and your desktop. And the step two is that you check printer connection, is it working properly in your desktop, in your laptop. Make sure it's properly connected with USB, and maybe it will connect with USB or with Wi-Fi. So make sure that it's properly connected. The third step is that set printer as default. So it's going to the settings and the Bluetooth and device sections, and it's going to the printers and the scanners, and select your printer and set as a default printer. So after doing that step, you go to the step 4. Step 4 is that run the printer troubleshooters, go to the settings, system section and troubleshoot section and the other troubleshooters and run the printer troubleshooters. So after the fourth step, you just have going to the 5 to update or install printer drivers. So make sure that you just update or install the printer drivers. Just go to the device manager. If you don't know where you can find the device manager, just icon of the window, just right click and just go into the device manager, just tap on that and just wait for a second. If you see a printer processor print quiz, and just scroll down and just find a processor, I think that one, just right click and just click the properties setting. I'm gonna type that and see the Microsoft print to PDF. Just right click and just update the drivers from here. After that, it is going to the step 6, restart print spoiler services. Press Windows R and type service.msc, just like that. Window plus R and just type services.msc and just OK. So find printer spoiler, right click and just restart it. So we have to follow all the steps to fix the issue. So that's it the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.